All right, so here we are again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jazz. I appreciate you being here. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be the first day of spring makeup. Today is the first day of spring. By the time you see this video, it will no longer be the first day of spring, but it will be springtime. And to kind of celebrate that, I made this look. It features a little green, but it's a more toned down look. It's not super colorful. It only has a pop of color, and it's for any person that wants to kind of venture out to a color, but also kind of keep it very neutral and very toned down. And I feel like this is the perfect look for that. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
Serenity, found who I wanna be, the girl I see, she's finally free. You called me on a Sunday night, I wasn't trying to have some stupid fight, more drama, had no patience left in me. In reality, it was time to leave. You broke my heart, I needed a fresh start. You lied to my face, I put you in your place. Let that man go, 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 let that man go. I'm not anything you drew me out to be. Clearly not the artist here, and you've got problems that I couldn't solve. All these numbers, but there's no one to go. You broke my heart, I needed a fresh start. You lied to my face, I put you in your place. Let that man go, 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 let that man go. You broke my heart, I needed a fresh start. You lied to my face, I put you in your place. Let that man go, 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 let that man go.
Okay, so that was the look. I feel like this was kind of a chaotic video. I feel like when I edit this is gonna be one of those videos that I might just put up to Instagram and never on YouTube. But anyways, this is the look. I think this is a nice like springtime, like I want to be springy. I want to be kind of out there, but I also want it toned down. I don't think it's too loud. Would have been great for St. Patrick's. Didn't do it for St. Patrick's. I did it for springtime. So let me know what you think. Do you like this look? Would you wear this look? Let me know down below. Hanging out with me. I appreciate your time, your energy, always being here with me and choosing to click on this video is always appreciated. So make sure you please like, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the notification bell. I would love to talk to you guys. So anyways, I'm out of here. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Bye.